day things can knock in the food. I'm not used to them like you're tone, you know. And therefore, I just call the garden and they fix things. Efficiency left the chat. Productive, yes. Prepared for this life? Absolutely not. I know me love you. Girl, you water the whole yard. Might as well water the drum them too. How you do this? Oh, when I get wet up. I'm not like I need a whole can. Girl, you never water plants yet. All of a sudden you're a gardener. Look how you traumatize you to them with cold water. Sure. City shower warm. This is disrespectful. And again, country life not so bad after all, you know. Because the flowers then really love. Love. Cool. But still refreshing. Yeah, that's what I'm saying, you know. You have to make fun and light out at first. Flowers them look nourished. But turn off. Sometimes survival looks like slowing down. Rent you, lie you. Bank account, I said try again. Country life sound loud. When the bank account get quiet, eh?